Toblerone will lose the Swiss label. Some of the production is relocating to Slovakia. I feel particularly qualified to report on this story. I was born and raised in Slovakia. I'm currently living in Switzerland, and I have eaten an enormous amount of Toblerone in my lifetime. I am Matej, welcome to Dad Should Know. So the Toblerone chocolate has a pretty rich history. It has been made in Switzerland, in Bern, the capital, since 1908, and they say that they will keep production in this Bern factory. But because of the strong demand in the world, they want to add additional capacity, and they're finding the capacity outside of Switzerland. So starting in 2023, they'll also start manufacturing Toblerone in Bratislava, where Mondelez International, the parent company of Toblerone, already makes other chocolate products like the really famous Milka chocolate. So this makes a lot of sense. Toblerone needs to increase its capacity, and the labor in Switzerland is quite expensive compared to Slovakia. The average salary of a worker in Switzerland is about 4 times as high as in Slovakia. And in Slovakia, they already have existing factory for chocolate manufacture, so it seems like a pretty natural choice. From a logistics perspective, it's pretty weird because Toblerone is sold all around the world. When I used to live in the United States, I used to buy in Target all the time. So they sell Toblerone in every Target throughout the United States. So Slovakia and Switzerland on the map of the world is actually really close. They're only 600 miles from each other. So as far as logistics, it doesn't make a lot of sense. It would probably make a lot more sense to make it somewhere in Americas or somewhere in Asia where the distribution would be a little bit easier. But since no longer 100% of the Toblerone chocolate will be manufactured in Switzerland due to strict Swiss labeling laws, Toblerone will have to lose the Swiss and the Swiss milk chocolate labeling on its packaging. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.